Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And in today's video, as you guys saw, we have 3 cars that we're gonna check under the hood. We're gonna check their brake fluid with this brake fluid tester. It's from Kingbolen. It's a company we've worked with in the past. I actually have here the ODB2 computer scanner, so it's a very nice product. I will leave the link down into the description. Similar to this. Now this one, I have no clue. I didn't know this thing existed. It's something that I'm gonna test for the first time today. It has all the information here, and basically what we're gonna do, turn it on. We're gonna drop this into the brake fluid, which is over here on this car. On this car will be over here, and that other car in the back with similar engine, or the same engine actually, to this one. So the nice thing about it is my car is the oldest, from 96. My wife's car is 2016, and family's car here in the back is 2019. So we'll have a great comparison to see where the fluid is. I'm honestly expecting mine to not pass the test. I am not going to change and bleed all the brake fluid today. It's something I've never done before. I've seen it. I've helped my father do it in the past. It's not something I'm looking forward to do. But if it's really bad enough, I'll consider. But not in this video. So we're just testing. It should be a quick one. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Okay. We're gonna open it up. The only thing that's not included will be the batteries. It uses 2 AAA batteries. They warned me before they send it over. Now, basically, this model is a BF200, and it says here it does the .3, 4, and 5.1. I just checked these vehicles; they all use .3, so I never owned a car that used the 4 or 5.1, but we'll check that. This thing is already like a test product, so it's kind of already been opened. Need a little screwdriver here. Give me a second. So we can place the new batteries. Okay, it's beeped already. There we go. It's fairly easy to use. If you can see on top here, there's a .3. You can switch it to .4. Where's the camera? There we go. .5 or .3. We're gonna leave it at .3. You see the bars, they're not completely highlighted. That's where we put the tester in the fluid, this sensor, and it will go up to the levels. So we got the levels here, 0.5, which would be ideal. OK is 1 and 2. Obviously 3 and 4 should not be good. So this S button turns the light off, but we'll see. Let's get it checked. Okay, we're here outside. We're at the newest car first, the one from 2019. So let's open it up. Sorry for my neighbor's dog in the back. So we're gonna just basically pull this filter thing out. There we go. It's already completely dropped in. And if you can see here, it's good. It measures 1%. So this is working good. 2019 car. I'm expecting it to be good also, you know, it's a fairly new car. Okay, got some tissue here. We're gonna clean it. Perfect. Always clean before we go from one car to another. So I just open up the one from 2019, so it's at 0, and we're gonna drop it in. It's reading. There we go. Let me turn the lights off, maybe you can see it better. maybe not, about the same. So it's 2%. So it still passes the test. And like I said, this is 2016, so we went from 2019 now to 2016, and it went from 1 to 2%. So I'm expecting this old guy to unfortunately not pass this test. But let me clean this one and then we'll go to the other car. Okay, we got that out of the way. So moment of truth. Gonna take this filter thing out. And let's check. Still at 0. We're gonna drop it in. Oh, wait. Look at that. It's at 1%. What? No. You're telling me my old car passed the test? Man, I am surprised. I did not expect this to happen. That's weird. So now I've been just thinking, 2 things may have happened, or actually 3. Either they replaced all the fluids in Japan before they transported the car over. The second one is when they arrived at CSW where I bought the car, they did that. Or for some reason this 26, almost 27-year-old car now passed the brake fluid test. That's weird. So I will actually find more cars in the future, if you guys are interested, for me to doing it to other cars to see how their brake fluid test is. So it's weird. It's nothing I expected to pass with this older car, but as you guys can see, if you saw my last video, I just did an oil change and all the good stuff on this car, so maintenance is nice, up to date. Right now I still have to drop the oil there at the Lowe's, or not Lowe's, AutoZone or O'Reilly's. But man, so far everything's looking good. I'm still surprised it passed the test, honestly. I was not expecting it. In my mind I was already planning to go buy the brake fluid and set up a date to do the brake fluid test. I mean flush and bleeding it, but I don't have to. I'm happy. I'm curious, since maybe this machine is reading low. I'm gonna clean the tip off again and we're gonna drop it into regular water from the faucet. Let's see what this does, and then we'll have a better idea and compare. Give me a second. Okay, got a clean tissue. Wipe everything down. Gonna turn the machine on. So it's off right now. Oops. Thought the battery died on me, but no. Just had to turn it on. It's still at .3, so now we're gonna drop it in here. Wow, look at that. It's greater than 4%. Now that it's not in the fluid, it drops to 2, but as soon as it touches, warning. So this thing actually works. So I still feel it's a miracle that my car passed the test, but hey, it is what it is. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Do you ever consider buying this machine? Shout out to Kingbolen to send it over. And if you guys want to see maybe more cars tested by this machine, I can check with my boys out from the car club, see what their car measure, and then we can check it out. So if you like these kind of videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Out. I have a mobile order, FQ33. Thank you. Sí, y porque allá conducen al otro lado de la carretera.
Son japoneses de carro, como es que en Japón, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Manejan